So next step here, we're going to capture what their choice is. We know, were they looking to buy, sell, or rent? So for this, we're going to want to change this block name because later on it's going to be property. Call this whatever. Just remember what this block would go here. Set the creating a variable by. I think that's how we do it. So then we're gonna just do the same for sell and rent. Okay, so we're going to the next one. Text, right? Say something. What type property interested buying or you're interested? What type of property? That's just straight up. Okay, we'll change the block here. Control A, type, voice, house, base, and okay. We're gonna caption thing. So variable, type this, variable type. You don't have to capitalize. I just am so type. Set, finally, land. Okay, so the next question. Which station? Right, just keep it simple. We'll change this to propertyLocation. Buttons, this is for Kelowna. Obviously it would be different wherever you're at. Whatever real estate company you were trying to do, you would put in the surrounding associated with that, right? Permission. There's way more, but I'm just gonna simplicity. We're gonna make another one. This is an important one here. What budget? Okay. Change this property budget. And we're good. No, sorry guys. Button. 1 million dollars to $2 million, and then we'll just do $2 million. Okay. Jeez, ever. Okay. Remember, we're gonna get a variable for it. New variable for this one. So I'll budget. Ooh, so you do need that. I'm not sure if you need the quotation. Budget, mil, variable, budgets. Okay. Now, finally, we're gonna capture their name. So one sec. What we can do right now, link up. So connect to there. Connect to there. Create a little sort of break, so try not to annoy the user. Oh wait, one more. Yeah, what is your property? Buttons. Month. Morgs. Okay. And then same thing here, guys. Just like everything. A lot of repetitive. Okay, again, we're going to create a new variable. Excuse me. So obviously you have to click action. Timeline. 3. Action set variable. Timeline. 4 just 6. Action variable. Timeline. 6. Plus. Okay, connect this there, there. Okay, and then I just created a separator block, I don't know, to break it up. Almost. Question. Okay, we're just gonna see what we have far. After this, we'll capture the name, the email, and the phone number. Then we'll save it to a Google Sheet. I'll show you how to do that here. Okay, BRB. Okay, let's see what we have so far here. First, we're gonna just hook up this to this. So yeah, these set variables just capture whatever the person's clicking, right? Okay, I think I figured out what the problem was. This didn't have any sort of capture. Location. I should change that. There, it's a little better. Oh wait, did that wrong. Okay, there. Let's try this. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. From here, we're gonna capture their name, their phone, or their email, and then their phone number. So we're just going to create another text. Which would be what? This time, capture, bring it under there, and name. Yeah. Email. Start text. Release. Okay, so now we're going to collect all this information. We're going to actually go dev API and use post. And we're going to collect all these things here. So let's do nice. Add for the location. Budget. Add another one. Actually, just 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're just going to change this to capture name. Okay, once that's done, click out of here.